Washa, I can explain. This is uDavid Insika yesizwe Ngcobo. UNgcobo uMapholo mashiya amahle engathi azoshumayela ufuze. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, this is uNasty C. Asiqale. Inkinga uyajajana, uyangijaja. Once upon a time, kumhla 11 February 1997, a hero was born and igama lakhe was uNsika yesizwe David Ngcobo. And little did he know ukuthi he will grow up to become one of the greatest hip-hop artists South Africa has ever known. Wakhulela endaweni ekuthiwa iseLovu that is located in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal, and he went to school kwisikole ekuthiwa iStreelitha, which is located eSpingo in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal. Suddenly, during his youth, this person called uDavid Insika yesizwe developed a love for hip-hop. Wayithola eselalela ama-artists afana njengo-T.I., uSnoop Dogg, uLil Wayne, uDrake, and many more. Suddenly, wayithola esefuna naye uphursuwa music, wayithola esebhala ama-lyrics, wayithola eseperforma esikoleni sakhe. Suddenly, he decided, no man, let me pursue this as a career. And then he made a couple of songs, and at the studio whilst they recorder, abangani bakhe but decided to no, we will name you uNasty C. That was when his life changed. At the age of 15, already wayeseqala ebuilda igama lakhe kwi-hip-hop industry, and already people have recognized him, bamupha igama kuthiwa wena sizokubiza nguNasty C. And already wayeqala working on his first project, and i-project yakhe i-mixtape yakhe wayibiza ukuthi One Kid, 1,000 Coffins, and wayikhipha ngomhla ka-14 May 2012. One Kid, 1,000 Coffins, i-mixtape yaNasty C eyokuqala la khona ezama lento ekuthiwa i-music, la khona ezama lento ekuthiwa i-hip hop. It was his first project. The very first time I got introduced to Nasty C was ngimbona ku-e.tv kudala singakabi ne-DS ekhaya. Understand ukuthi there was a show ku-e.tv, I don't remember the show, but they had a segment ekwakuthiwa The Booth. uNasty C did the greatest freestyle to ever be didn't on a TV screen. And that time it was the greatest freestyle ever. If you know, you know. If you don't know, forget about it. After doing his first appearance with TV, uNasty C then went on to release one of the greatest mixtapes to ever be released in South Africa, and it was called iPrice City Mixtape.